Hello, my name is Nicole Romero Spina, and this is my assignment number 5. So first we have my first method, and it's pretty short. It's just the Dalmatian asking the user to take the quiz and then the quiz, which is over here in the quiz procedure. This is where I have all my questions, and this is where I ask the user to answer some of these questions and help the Dalmatian with the tasks it needs to complete. And then one of my functions is called who is farther. This returns a true or false, and it determines whether animal 1 is farther than animal 2. And I use that in my second question, where I ask the user to tell me if the lioness is further away than the bear cub. And then basically, if the answer of the user matches um, the true or false that I get from this procedure, from this function, then the user gets a point. Then my second function is distance to farthest, and this one is different from the first one in that this one returns an actual distance, like a decimal number, and it is used in my procedure called jump over. It's a Dalmatian procedure, and it basically, the distance to farthest function helps the Dalmatian determine how far to jump when it needs to jump over all the animals. All right, and then my last procedure is called move random, and this happens in the second question, and all the animals basically move in different directions, and I generated a random numbers to ensure this. So if like the move number is equal to 0, 1, 2, or 3, um, they all move different directions every time I run the code. Okay, then I have my array over here. It's basically just the array of all the animals, and I use that mainly in the third question. I use it also to move them up and down, but I use it mainly in the third question to get them to spin. They all just spin at the same time, so I use an each and together. All right, and now I will run my code. Okay, and so it asks the user which animal is tallest, and for this one, um, the user gets like 4 tries. And so if I say the lioness, that's incorrect. If I say the bear cub, that's also incorrect. So if I say the horse, the Dalmatian then jumps um, over all the animals and jumps over the horse. So then all my animals move in different directions, and it needs to know whether the lioness is farther away. In this case, oh, can you not? Yeah, you can. In this case, it is. So I would put true, and then say, great, thanks. And they all jump. And now they spin, and we have to count how many times they do so. So for this one, the user gets an unlimited amount of tries, so I can put any number, and they'll spin again. Just to keep the video short, I'll put the correct number. And then, yeah. Yeah, so then the Dalmatian, throughout the quiz, we keep count of like how many questions they successfully answered, and then at the end it says you helped me with this number of tasks, and they use that score to report that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.